Hi Sagittarius, and welcome to your July 2020 reading. First of all, if I can request you to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you like to watch such videos and would like to receive these more of these from me. I love to come here and work for each one of you. So at the end of the reading, please do comment and let me know how these energies are playing out in your life. And if you like the reading, I have no problems. You want to give it a thumbs up, do that. So moving on to see what's coming up for your sign in the month of July 2020. Spirit, show me clearly. Please show me clearly. We have a Seven of Swords, and then we have a Four of Pentacles. We have a Page of Pentacles. There's the Ten of Swords. We have a Two of Pentacles. And then there is the King of Pentacles. Lots of Pentacles in your reading, yeah. So give me one moment, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, you will be amazed to know that you guys have actually utilized the past few weeks or some time to your advantage. And I see that in the coming times, you could be making money out of these ideas or from these ideas, or it's going to get you gains in some form or the other. Gains are definitely destined for you in the month of July. I also feel that you all have been able to help yourself come out of some very difficult situations, Sagittarius. I also feel that this situation is still not 100% out of your life. You need to deal with this with more, feeling more awakened about this or acknowledging the situation in a better way. I also feel, Sagittarius, that somewhere you may not want to come out of the situation, or you are not able to come out of the situation because of your own will. You could be standing in your own way. But I see that there is definitely that light, that will that makes you or tells you that you have to come out of this. Somewhere you're not able to gather all of this will together, this courage together to come out of it. And I feel that once again, you have arrived at a place where you feel that you are lacking clarity, and this is a place where you were something somewhere around 2 months ago. So you may feel that you're back to pavilion and that you're unable to help yourself, Sagittarians. But I also see that you are going to be the ones taking care of yourself and coming out of this. So a Nine of Cups is here very strongly telling me that you are going to be able to put this behind you, and as the month crosses and a better part is gone, you will be able to see that this lack of clarity is not here to stay, and that you will be able to move away from this. I also feel that somewhere you may are looking for a lot of guidance, but you may not be acting upon them. And I also feel that you want to take some time off. You may be feeling very disconnected and not in the mood to do something new, or take charge of your life right now. You may just want to allow this time to go away passively and not become an active doer of something here. But what I'm seeing is that spirits are going to help you do that. I feel that you're going to come out of this situation where you're feeling really, really unhappy about a lot of things in your life, or maybe those around you. It's not got to do much with the external environment. It's got a lot to do with how you are feeling inside. And the spirit side, your guides, your angels are going to help you come out of this. I also have a feeling, Sagittarians, that says that you are not going to allow everything to get out of hand in the month, although you may not be feeling your top-notch self at this moment. But I have a feeling that you're not going to allow everything to slip through your hands. I also have this feeling that towards the end of the month, once again, you're going to shake yourself back into reality and wake up and tell yourself, what's been going on if I needed some time off from work, or if I needed some more time to relax myself, I could have done that without allowing so many days or weeks to just go by without giving myself a proper result or a proper situation to work on. And then towards the end of the month, I feel that you're going to bounce back and take charge of things. I also feel that if those around you, or maybe your opponents, or some people who are not in your favor, if they expected that this feeling is going to sustain for a long time in your life, I think you're going to give them a run for their money. Because I have a Five of Swords here, and that tells me that you're going to bounce back right in time when they're not suspecting anything, and you're going to give them a taste of their own medicine. So you are this strong fighter self inside, but somewhere, there are times that we all may need that those most sought after words of motivation or encouragement from, maybe by reading it somewhere, or you may have a real life person who can talk to you about how you can handle that time in your life. And I see that you're going to get guidance right in time. And then an Ace of Pentacles tells me that you're going to bounce back for sure, and you're going to take care of your life once again, standing at the forefront, taking care of opportunities. And this newfound confidence, or this rekindled confidence inside of you, is going to tell you that I'm ready to take on more than I thought I could. And just get me more opportunities, and the universe is going to respond to that in the month of August. You will see. Moving on, I'm getting some messages from the angels for you. Let me see what they have to say. What do they want to tell you in the month of July? So just let me pull out some cards. My beautiful angels, please show me clearly what are the messages you have for the sign of Sagittarius in the month of July 2020. Let's see. So I have life review. So before your sign, for Capricorn as well, I got this card, and that was the first card there. This is the first angel message here. Okay, I'm going to pull out one more. And then there is Clairaudience. So beautiful cards here I have for you, Sagittarians. You can see. So life review. Take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. And we have been talking about how you're feeling this entire month in most part of your reading, Sagittarius. So your angel is coming out to tell you the same thing. So could they have been speaking through me while I was doing your tarot cards? Or they're just trying to validate it again through these angel cards, that whatever I just spoke of is something you need to pay attention to. And I will repeat this message for you. Take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. So anything that keeps you maybe tips to just one side of the scale isn't something you need to stick with. It's you always, if you've heard this saying, to all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and all play and no work makes Jill a dull girl. So we always have to have this balance. We have to strive to achieve this balance in our life. And that's what you are going to arrive at towards the end of this month. But if you can take note of the situation, you might not have to, bounce back with so much vengeance on yourself that, how could you allow those things to go by? The next card for you is the card of the Clairaudience. Archangel Zadkiel says, here, look at the card. It's such a beautiful one. Archangel Zadkiel says, notice the loving guidance you hear inside your mind and from other people. So when we think about clairaudience, we only depend on the sounds that we hear inside of us, or maybe, coming through this part of, through our ears. But you could be getting this guidance from other people, and I feel that a lot of these people have only good for you in their hearts and in their mind. So just take this guidance, and it's about time that you know that you don't just take the guidance, but you start acting upon that also. So that was for your guidance for the month of July 2020, Sagittarians. I hope this reading helps you all. And please do comment and let me know how they're playing out in your life in the month of July. And give this reading a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you would like to receive these readings on a regular basis and as and when I upload them. So keep that love coming my way, and until we meet again, bye bye.